Hello guys, welcome in today's crypto technical analysis. As usual, we'll be looking at the BTC price action. The multiple time frame analysis, we're going to start from higher time frame, mid time frame, and then we'll close this episode by looking at the lower time frames. However, before we start, if you guys are learning and enjoying from the contents, do not forget to like the video, and if you're new to the channel, subscribe and activate the bell so you do not miss the accurate market updates. As you can see, we've got 2 days, 11 hours to close the weekly time frame, and I'm not going to touch a lot on this weekly time frame. We're going to cover the weekly time frame in the coming week. After we've got this beautiful candle on the 24th of week, and then we were expecting, based on a daily, 3 days, as well as the weekly time frame, if you're following me on this channel for some time, as well as on the Twitter, that I was saying we need a confirmation, and we got beautiful confirmation on the 31st of January candle. We're already out from the consolidation on the weekly time frame. However, 51, 50, 2000 levels are going to be extremely important. Moving on to a daily time frame. Based on a daily time frame, as you can see, the similar scenario on the 24th of January with a confirmation. As soon as we had this confirmation, I was talking about this rally on the market. However, as soon as we reached to our long-awaited target of $68,000 and $70,000, we reached to $69,000. Initial short setup we had at around 66,500 level, right from lower time frame as well as the mid time frame, 618 the fib level. However, based on a daily time frame, as soon as with this 26th of November, the candle, the red one, we lost this daily level, retested it perfectly, the resistance around 59,200 level, and daily time frame went heavily under the bear's control. Depends where you shorted it. If you shorted from 66,500, 63,000 area, we saw all the way up to our major support. That was major support, and I was talking about, for now, I'm expecting to hold this major support, and we saw 50% dump in the market. However, based on a daily time frame, once we lost the daily time frame at around $60,000, that was 45% dump in the market. And if you're doing a leverage with a 5 and 10 times, you do the maths for yourself. The daily time frame at the moment is heavily still under the bear's control, and I'm expecting, after we got rejection right from the Fibonacci, extremely important higher time frame, Fibonacci level 618 and 67, the golden pockets, as you can see, perfect rejection to the dollar. I'm expecting a minor pullback in the market. Moving on to 4-hour time frame. Based on a 4-hour time frame, that I took this parallel channel from the all-time high and then up to date, that you can see we've got 3 rejections. A few days ago we had this rejection on the 8th of February, and today we had another rejection, and we've got, as you remember, high time frame resistance at around this region with confluence 618, the golden pocket, and the upper line of this parallel channel also acting as a resistance that I was talking about. This is going to be a heavy resistance for the BTC. As I said, if you're going to take a Fibonacci from all-time high all the way up to this dump based on a lower time frame as well as the mid time frame, as you can see, we got perfect rejection right from 618, and at the same time that was an initial short setup. However, the same time, as soon as we lost the white level, which is a smart money with a red one, as soon as we exited, and then the market started dumping all the way up to in the first place, $48,000 and $50,000. And gradually, I added the support once we didn't see the trend change on the market based on a mid time frame, and I was updating the support levels. And as you can see, at around average, if you shorted it from $63,000, $64,000 all the way to this major support, we had 47%, 50% nearly dump in the market. At the same time, if you shorted again from $52,000, which was another rejection that you can see, or from once we lost the white line, the smart money, again up to this level, we saw 33% dump in the market. The last short setup came at around, as soon as we reached to $44,000, where the most people expected that this is going to be a trend change. However, I was warning you guys, this is not going to be a trend change unless we're going to break this green line. And from $43,500, $44,000, we saw another 25% dump. So as you can see, we've got first short setup, the second one, and then third one took place at around 13th of January. So altogether, in a bigger picture, around 50%, with a 33% followed, and then the last one provided 25%. And if you're doing a leverage, again, you do the maths for yourself. If you want to learn all this technical analysis, what I'm showing, and if you want to become an independent professional trader, or you're interested in the institutional trading system, you can message me via Telegram at Magnate8, and one-on-one intense masterclass is available, where I'm going to teach you how to become a profitable trader in the market, and it only takes you 5 to 10 hours to master this all. And during the course, you will learn day trading, i.e. scalping, swing, and as well as the long-term as an investor trading systems. The current condition of 4-hour time frame, as soon as we broke $40,000, $42,000, 4 hours started flashing a bullish signal. If you remember, this support was a strong resistance as well as this support. So these two resistance became as a support at the moment. And we've got 48,500 all the way up to 51,500 levels are very strong resistance level. At the same time, now we've got rejection right from higher time frame, Fibonacci level, alongside with the parallel channel that I took it from all-time high. As long as we're going to be above $38,000, $39,000, the 4-hour will remain under the bull's control. As I said, we might see a minor pullbacks in the market correction, and then highly likely, as soon as we're going to claim this 0.618, the next target zones are going to be $50,000 and $51,000. Moving on to 2-hour time frame. 2-hour time frame, as soon as we claimed the low line of this support, which was acting as a resistance at around 38,500, as you can see, first rejection, second one, and then the third one. The fourth time we managed to break, and then 2-hour time frame started giving us a bullish signal. So 2-hour time frame is heavily under the bull's control at this moment. And the 2-hour time frame in the coming days, as long as we're going to be above the lower line of this support, which is 41,000, 40,500, then the 2-hour time frame will remain under the bull's control. In the next 24 to 48 hours maximum, if we're going to lose at this level, highly likely the 2-hour time frame will enter under the consolidation. As long as we're going to be above the lower line, we're going to be safe, and we will see a further consolidation that will lead us to break the 618 and 67, the golden pockets. So the levels are clear, play level to level, and we came to an end of this episode. And if you guys enjoyed it, do not forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.